Good afternoon. We have a very short time, but we'll try to see how we can make good this time. My name is Ganesh. I head the Smart Grid Lab and collaborations, and also head the Incubation Center, which is a joint initiative of Government of India and Tata Trust. It is a very interesting topic which we have, but essentially what we have seen is energy sector on its own. If you really see the changes which is happening in this sector, it is not happening by virtue of the fact that it has been the foundation technology which is taking them through, that is the typical electrical technologies, but the other things around the industry is playing a very big role, be it be management of data or be it be, having communication coming in a big way. So we have got a session wherein we talk about artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, again supporting the entire systems to work well. So we have got 4 people speaking from the Swiss side, 5 from the Indian side. So we would request each one of us, though I was told that 2 minutes for the Swiss and 3-4 minutes for the Indian, but I don't think that is fair. So we will make it, equal. So 3-4 minutes for either side. So it is very important to understand because you have come a long way, and then it is very important to understand your company also, and then we are very open. And then what I will assure you is, maybe on the behalf of ISGF also, that we can continue the discussion from here so that whatever has been talked here does not go down. So we will continue to follow up through the Swiss team members here in India. So